Welcome back. She spent over 2 decades as the queen of reality TV, and she amassed a fortune selling everything from fragrance to body-shaping underwear. She has broken the internet more often than Russian hackers, and on any given day, you can find her pouting and flexing and lounging and posing and next to nothing on Instagram. But Kim Kardashian is also on her way to becoming a lawyer. Late last year, after apprenticing with a San Francisco law firm, Kardashian passed what's known in California as the baby bar. Here she is studying in her bikini, string bikini. The baby bar is a 7-hour exam made up of essays and multiple choice questions on contracts, criminal law, and torts. And if you pass it, it is the equivalent of finishing the first year of law school. There she is in the string bikini. I jumped the gun. On the day that Kim actually did pass the baby bar, it was her 4th try, but she posted OMFGGGG, as in Elle Woods would be over the moon about that. My point is, she was prepared when she went head-to-head with arguably one of the greatest legal minds there is in a new show called Gutsy on Apple TV+, and it's premiering September 9th. Here's Kim Kardashian testing her legal wits against lawyer, senator, and Secretary of State Hillary Clinton. And here's Kim winning.
I think Kim has an unfair advantage.
Took me a few times, but we got here.
All right. Under what circumstances may one use deadly force to defend themselves? Yes.
When one is being faced with deadly force themselves, or one believes that deadly force is imminent.
Distinguish extortion/blackmail and robbery.
Well, you know, robbery is usually a physical crime, whereas extortion and blackmail don't require that.
Okay. Another point for you, Mom. Thank you very much.
All right.
Correct. Mom, you made a good effort.
I like the gloves. I should mention that Kardashian is a longtime advocate for criminal justice reform, and she's the daughter of the late O.J. Simpson defense attorney Robert Kardashian. My next guest, Staci Zeretsky, is the senior editor of Above the Law, the longest legal blog, or the largest legal blog in the United States. And she's got the answer as to why Hillary thinks she lost. So why was it, Staci?
She thinks she lost because she was a little too slow on the buzzer. But we shouldn't forget that a law student and someone who has just taken the baby bar exam is probably the most knowledgeable person about basic legal facts like those that were in the quiz.
So, you know, she didn't, they actually talked afterwards. It wasn't just about the contest. They talked about legal things. They didn't talk about clothes or fashion or anything like that. They talked about, you know, the unfairly incarcerated. So there's some meat to this very fun little task they did.
Right, exactly. This wasn't your typical Kardashian fair that you usually think of. Like you could talk about all of her makeup companies, her fashion companies. No, they were talking about specifically what she's doing to try to bring awareness and bring legal assistance to people who were wrongfully or unfairly incarcerated. And that's really meaningful. That shows that someone that you've probably previously discounted, you shouldn't count her out anymore because she's doing something for justice and access to justice.
I mean, I just love the story altogether. Kim Kardashian goes up against the Secretary of State, and it was good. Staci Zeretsky, thanks for playing along. Nice to have you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.